What's up, frigates? In this video, we add 2 house batteries to the V-berth area of our MacGregor 26x.
Don't forget to like and share, as it really helps the channel.
We toyed with the idea of installing the batteries in the back of the rear berth, but quickly realized that would be too much weight at the back of the boat, which would affect trailering and weight disbursement. Not to mention, we were close to popping a wheelie with the 2 of us in the cockpit. Plus, who wants to go back there to deal with wiring and all that fun stuff? Not us! We also heard that weight up front in these boats helps with sailing performance, so the V-berth area was then decided on. We left the start battery in its original spot, as both of the new batteries would be dedicated to house power. You may already know that we took out the safety foam previously, and we were also annoyed with how this wall blocked half of one of the V-berth storage areas. And with no safety foam under the V-berth, it no longer had support from underneath. Let's fix all of that right now. Step 1, we marked out a line down the center and started cutting with an oscillating saw. We will link that saw down below along with other things. We like to clean up as we go to eliminate fiberglass itchies from getting everywhere. Once all sides are cut, set this piece aside. You can use it to plan your build and as a curve template. The cut was left a little rough. You can use a grinder to clean that up if you wish. We just put more glass over the rough area later. Use the piece you just cut out to get an idea for how the project will go. You will then want to make measurements, formulate a plan, sketch it out, and make your initial cuts. Add montage. Time for a test fit. After many more trims and fits, you may be satisfied with what you have done. Slide your batteries in for more future planning. We decided to laminate all of the wood with a thin layer of fiberglass to protect it from water. 2x4 goes in first. This will help to hold the new wall/bulkhead in place and doubles as added support to the V-berth, so you can stand and dance all day in the opening of the hatch.
I'm flying!
Okay.
Once you have your area prepped, start glassing. Music and montage.
Someone left a booger in there. I'm flying!
Okay.
We roughed up the edges of the boards where we knew more glass would be laid in to attach to the boat, and we got after it. Music and montage, finally. The bottom or baseboard was not glassed in, so it could be easily removed for future whatever. Added some foam sheets under and up the sides for a little shock absorption. Added the batteries, slid in some scrap lumber to hold the new juice into place, and done. We actually then added a battery stop to the baseboard to keep the batteries off the starboard side, and threw down a little paint. As you can see, we still have plenty of room in the V-berth for storage, life jackets, more foam, or a water tank. Which we tried, but the brand new water tank had a hole in it day 1, so we abandoned that idea. But now we know that the bilge pumps work as intended. I will link that video below. If you're still watching, please give a like and leave a comment. That really helps the channel. Florida trip is up next, so subscribe. We sail from Key Largo to Marathon and back. frigate out.
You're not gonna say I'm flying?
I didn't know I was flying. Is that what I'm supposed to say? I don't remember the movie. I'm flying!
Okay. Wait, let me get a good shot of those MacGregor connectors. Oh yeah, so many MacGregor connectors. I don't know this place all